In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to collections in Shopify. Organizing your products into collections is a simple way to make your store easier to navigate and to highlight specific groups of items, like bestsellers, new arrivals, or seasonal products. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add products to an existing collection from inside your Shopify admin. Start by logging into your Shopify account and heading to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage everything for your online store: products, orders, customers, and of course, collections. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the option labeled Products and click it. This takes you to the Products area where you can see all the items you've added to your store. From here, you can create, edit, and organize your products. Once you're on the Products page, look toward the top or left side for the Collections option and click on it. Collections are simply groups of products that you want to display together. This page will show you a list of all the collections you've already created. Now, find the collection you want to add products to. In this example, we'll use a collection called Bestsellers. Click on the name of that collection to open its settings page. Here you can edit the title, description, and the products that appear in this collection. On the collection page, locate the section where products are listed and click the Browse button. This opens a window showing all the products available in your store that you can add to this collection. From the list that appears, click on the product or products you'd like to include in this collection. You can usually select more than one at a time, so take a moment to choose everything that fits this collection, whether it's top-selling items, featured products, or anything you want grouped here. Once you've selected the products you want, click the Done button. This confirms your selection and adds those products to the collection. After that, make sure the collection saves automatically, or click Save if you see that option. And that's it. You've successfully added products to a collection in Shopify, helping your customers discover your items more easily